Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a recovery shirt. So if you have shoulder surgery or something like that, this is going to give you a shirt that you can wear, that you can put on after such an event. And it's got lots of different snaps and things on it. So let me show you guys what we've got here. What size? It says XL, which it's always nice to have a size bigger than what you need. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on over my shirt here. But I'll show you guys how it kind of works and what you can do with it here in a second. It's got snaps everywhere. Okay, so for me, okay, well, it's not even snapped all the way. I don't know. I guess it just doesn't come snapped. Okay, but you get the idea. So it's going to look like a shirt, like a t-shirt, but then it has all these snaps on it here. So if you wanted to put it on yourself, that would be really hard. But if you're trying to just put it on, you could open it up as such. Look at that, and you have total access to it like that. So you have your sleeve open. If you had to get something like that, you could totally get into it there. These are great for if you had some surgery and stuff. I had this shoulder I broke, and getting dressed was a nightmare, and I just pretty much wore the same thing every day for a couple of months, but I was just too lazy. But you get the idea here, and you can just snap these things closed to seal it up, and then it's going to look like a regular kind of long sleeve t-shirt. It just, right now, when it just came with it opened a bit. But you get the idea. I don't know if I need to do them all, but I'll just do this little section here. There, and there. So there we go. So this one here is, well, I didn't do all the way up here, but you get the idea. It'll end up being a shirt that'll just look like it has a stripe down it. And then, so you got it on both sides. So you can do either shoulder and then just snap it on up there and close it up. So how cool is that? So if you have a permanent cast or something like that that's holding up, you know, how would you normally put it on? This is the way. So you can put it on here, and then you can wrap it around to get it back on you. So it's cool, nice little idea. And it actually looks like it opens up both sides. So you could totally have it way open. So you have an opening there and opening there. So lots of ways to get it in. So totally cool, thumbs up, very nice.